In this video, let's learn how to change call background. Open your dial pad. After, click on this three dots icon and go to settings. In here, click on this call background option. You can see a preview. Click on background option. In here, you can change your call background. You can see the default background is here. You can add the video. You can see animation preview. If you click on the set as call background, you can use this video as your call background. This is default background animation videos. If you want to add your custom photo, click on this gallery option. After, you can select a photo on your mobile gallery. In this method, you can customize your call background.